Hello, and welcome to today's video about W, the W. I thought this sound was a little easy, but recently I noticed some people having trouble, so I thought I'd make a quick video to try to illustrate the consonant W. It's kind of a soft consonant. So when we make W, it's a little like a oo sound, but it doesn't come from the back of the throat like So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you an illustration now. So this is the tongue at rest. Okay, and then this illustration, you can see the back of the tongue reaches up towards the soft palate. Now, it doesn't touch, but it just reaches back. It arches up towards the back. And the tip of the tongue, the tip of the tongue glides down a little bit. So, oh, wah, 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 wah. If I touch with the back of my tongue to the soft palate, wah, you can see what happens. Okay, so we don't want to make a wah sound. We want to make a wah, wah. It only moves a little bit, so we want to move that just a little bit. The other point is the lips. Now it's hard to see my lips. 見えないですね. Yeah, can't see very well. So I'm going to lift my mustache, okay, so you can see. Okay, now let me get my fingers out of the way. In fact, let me use two fingers. Okay, so it's very easy to see my lips now. Okay, so when I make the W sound, okay, ちょっと面白い. When I make the W sound, like I'm going to kiss somebody, okay, I purse my lips, purse your lips, and they come away from the front teeth. Okay, water, wish, whisper, wah. Okay, water, wish, wah, 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 wah. Okay. Okay, so that is how we make the W sound. Okay. Waist, walk, wall, wallet, want, warm, watch, wave. Okay, wave. So that's it, just a small video. Again, I'm just going to show you the tongue position for that. Okay, and remember, if you're making an oo sound, oo, the tongue is flat. So when we make a W sound, we don't want that tongue to be flat. We want the back of the tongue to come up a little bit, just up a little bit. Okay, like this illustration. Wah, 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 wah. And make sure you purse your lips. Okay, wah, wah. Okay, yeah, practice that and 頑張ってください. Thank you for watching.